Good morning, students. This is Vittal Matriculations. Okay, good students. How are you, students? What about you? All are, all are you yet or not? Okay, you cannot yet mean. First of all, you are go to eat your food after you come and watch this video, because of this is one of the very important, okay, students. Because of you also attend the class means definitely your sadness, I mean tension also coming in yourself, so first of all, your food is very important. Okay, so you all the first of all, you are go to eat your tiffin, students. Okay, or in your food. Yes, in your food. Because of very important, you know. So, okay. Now, in the COVID situations also going here in the world, you know that. Okay. So, you also go to outside mean definitely you are put in your mask. So, you also stay safe, stay home. You know that it's very important, students. So, I tell yourself. Okay, already I tell, because of in the earth side, lot of problems also here, the pollutions also, and lot of problems of here, and some people are die, some happening also going here, some happening also going here, because of it's, they are very sin, some illness also, the cold, the fever also here, lot of problem also here, students. Yes, yeah, okay, students, we are going to the topic. It's interesting, because of we are interested one of, and funny and comic stories also here. Okay, first of all, we are going to the topic. The topic, you see, this is fourth standard topic. Now we are see what fourth standard English. What? Yeah, English. Sir, you take Tamil, sir. No, 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 no. First of all, we all see the topic English. Okay. Okay. All of you open your book. I am also open our book, The topic name, now we all see the topic name is what? That's Unit 1, Term 1. The topic name is A World with Robots. Okay, already we all see the topic. I mean, we have discussed this topic, So now we all see discussed about the choose the correct option. Choose the what? Yes, the option A. Choose the correct option. Okay, students, first of all, we all see the first questions. Vicky wanted a task to do all his work. Okay, what? Yes, Vicky wanted a task to do all his work. What's first of all, the fully I read after I tell about the answer to these questions. You see, the option is option A, tie. Option B is B1. Okay, that's one of the friend. C is robot. Okay. The second question, you see, Vicky's father party a dance robot. What's the robot? That's one of the options. You see, other option A. You see, that's one of the lazy. Another one is B. Option is the trick. C, active. Okay, next we are see the third one. Vicky decided to dash the robot at end. Okay, you see the options A, B, C. What does that mean? It's one of the A option, that's one of the keep. Another one is sell. Another one is price. Okay, what's spelling is P-R-A-I-S-I. What? P-R-A-I-S-E. Paris. The fourth one is a robot asked Vicky to sell him to Undas Master. Okay, that's a robot asked Vicky sell him to do what? Dash Master. Okay, the robot asked Vicky to sell him to and Dash Master. Okay, the option A lazy, B one is active, C one is passive. Okay, now we all see the answer. What we see? Yes. Now, first of all, we all see the answer because of already we all see the questions. You know that. Okay. The first one is what? Vicky wanted a task to do all his work. Sir, you also question, sir. Always you tell about the question, sir. What's the answer, sir? Yes, the answer is option A, toy. Option B, friend. Option C, robot. Yes, the option C is the answer. C. The answer is robot. Sir, why, sir? You also tell about answer robot, sir. Yes, Vicky wanted a robot to do all his work. Because of Vicky also is a lazy person, you know that. So Vicky also asked his father, for dad, I know. I mean, I said, Dad, I want one robo, Dad. So because of I'm very tired. Okay, he said, yes, correct. He said, okay. Who said? Students, are you here? Okay. Yeah, Vicky is also here. So Vicky also Vicky wanted a robot that's to do all his work. So the answer is a robot, right? Okay. We all see the second one questions. Second one's what? Second one what means? Now we all see Vicky's father party a dash robot. What? Vicky's father party a dash robot. What? Sir, also tell about Vicky's father the party a robot, sir. What's the answer, sir? Yes, I tell the answer. Yeah, the answer is lazy. B one is trick. T-R-I-C-K, trick. Another one is option C. You see option C, active. Sir, I also tell about answer, sir. Which is the answer? You also tell about four answer. What? Yes, I tell about the four answer now. What? The answer is what? Answer is Vicky's father party dash means yes. You see the trick. It's also one of the answer. B also one of the answer, trick, because of that's one of the tricky robot. So always given to the work to him. I mean Vicky side the robot also give the work. Okay, so it's one of the tricky robot because of it all happening don't know to him. I mean Vicky also don't know it. Okay, already we are see the topic. That's it very funny. Yeah, like Endiran movie. Because of that the end in the movie said Chitti also proposed to that heroine. So it's also one of the tricky robot. That's also one of the tricky robot. So here this robot also one of the tricky. Here see option C. What? Vicky decided to dash the robot at the end. What? Vicky decided to dash the robot at the end. Okay, sir, always you are telling to the Vicky decided to dash the robot at the end. Always you are telling, sir. What's the answer? Why, guy? I tell the answer. Why, guy? Always question to me. Oh, okay. The Vicky decided to dash the robot the end to mean the answer is cell. You see, cell. Sir, why is it cell? Because of Vicky decided to dash the robot at the end. Because of the robot also don't make your always go to ask the That boy, I mean Vicky said, the robot also said, I cannot work. My battery is low. Always, I cannot put in your phone charging. Always telling that the topic. Yes. So Vicky also decided to sell the robot to the end, the climax side, because of Vicky also called him father after discuss about, please father, it's very difficult, you also sell the robot, it unwanted, I make my work, I am only I do that, okay. So Vicky also tell about sell that robot, okay. Next, we all see the fourth one. Fourth questions. What question? Yeah, fourth questions. But that fourth question is what? The robot. You hear, students? Are you here? You see the picture? You see the sentence? Are clear? Okay. Fourth ones. Just read. Okay. The robot asked Vicky to sell him to and as master. What? Sir, I cannot understand, sir. Again, one time you read. What? Yeah, again, one time you read. Why you cannot listen? It's not a problem, guy. I tell one time, okay? One time when I read, okay? Please listen carefully, okay? What? Robot asked Vicky to sell him to and taskmaster. Okay. First of all, you see options. First of all, how many options? So the four options, sorry, three options also here, The option is lazy. The option is B, one of the active. C, it's one of the passive. Okay, the answer is what? First of all, the answer B is the answer. It's one of the active. So it's one of the answer. Sir, also why sir? Also tell about the active, sir. Why? Why guy always ask the question to me? Oh, okay. It's not a problem, guy. I tell you, Theo. Why? Ask the question. Not a problem. Okay. You see, a robot asked Vicky to sell him to a taskmaster. Or robot asked Vicky to sell him to a taskmaster. Okay. It's one of the option is A lazy, B active, C passive. Active is the answer because robot asked Vicky to sell him and the master. Yeah, it wanted to Vicky said, I want active master because of it's one of the not active, so he is sell the robot. So they are discuss about these. Choose the correct options. Are you clear, students? Okay. Next, you see option B. Okay, you see, read the statement and write it true or false. What, students? Just listen carefully. I tell about the sentence. I mean, headline. I read headline. Okay, read the statement and write true or false. Statements also sometimes statement mean what, sir? Statement mean, for examples, we are go to medical shop mean that time what, sir? Fever, sir, or cold, sir. That time we are you are need to the prescription. Okay, so I mean a medical doctor statement. Okay, they are given to one medicine sheet. They are mentioned to the names of medicines. That's one of the statement. Okay, are you also good student? That's one of the statement. Oh, yeah, okay, I am also good student, sir. Yeah, you are also good students. Okay, I am not good student. What I do? You also good student, guy. Okay, because of always listen to me, So the option B in the first question is what? Vicky pleaded in his father to buy a robot. Okay. And next one is Vicky was an active boy. The third one is the robot did not obey his master. His master is master mean Vicky also his master. I mean this robot master. Okay. The fourth question is Vicky's father decided to charge his son's character. Okay. Yes, the first question is Vicky pleaded his father to buy a robot. What? Vicky bleeded his father to buy the robot. Answer is what? True. Sir, why is that true? Why is that? Yes. Vicky bleeded his father by a robot. Because of Vicky also lazy person, So, Vicky also go to set his father. What? Yeah. Dad, I need help someone person because of so I am very tired. I cannot do my work. So I needed to robot or someone. Okay, Vicky also said Vicky bleeded his father to buy a robot. Answer is true. All right. Okay. The second one. You see the second question. What? Vicky was an active boy. You know that? Yes, false. Vicky was an active boy. So one of the answer is false. Vicky also one of the active boy, No, 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 no. Vicky also is the lazy boy. I mean, always he cannot make work. He cannot do his work because of always he tired. You know that. So Vicky was an active boy. So it's one of the answer is false. I mean wrong answer. So false. False is wrong is same way. So you are mentioned false. Okay, students. Next, we have the third one. The robot did not obey his master, and the robot also obeyed his master. Whose master? Yes, Vicky's master. Vicky also that robot master. So that robot also obeyed to him. No, 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 no. This robot also don't obey to him. So the robot did not obey his master. Its answer is true. I mean, did not. You see, the did not. So, did not mean they cannot work. I mean, they don't do. So, the robot did not obey his master. So, it's not the true. Okay. Okay, students. Next, we all see the fourth ones. What? Because of throttle problem. I need water. Yes, I need water. Yeah, I drink. Now I drink the water. Okay, now we continue the topic. Okay. What now I see, students? Yeah, fourth question now I see. Yes, fourth question now I see. Vicky's father decided to change his son's character. What, sir? I cannot understand, sir. Cut and you read, sir. Okay, okay. Tell correctly. Listen carefully. Vicky's father decided to change his son's character. So it's wrong, right? Yes, it's one of the false. Okay, it's one of false because of a right. False. Okay, Vicky's father decided to change his son's character. Yes, it's one of false. Right? Yeah, false. It's correct. No, 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 no. It is wrong. Because we are totaling questions, so it's one of the wrong answer. So it is true. It's one of the true. Because of Vicky's father decided to change his son's character, so he's get to the robot. So it's one of the answer is true. But why is it clear? Because of I explained. So I erase it to hit. Okay, it's also true. It's not a false. Okay. Okay. Are you clear, students? Again, one time you read. Please listen how to pronounce it. It's okay. First one is Vicky bleeded his father to buy a robot. It's one of the answer is true. Second one is Vicky was an active boy. Yes, it's one of the false. Because of his lazy person, Okay. Third one is the robot did not obey his master, No, it's one of the true. Did not, it cannot, okay. So, did not. Answer is 4. Vicky's father decided to change his son's character. Yes, Vicky's character also, they are changed his father thinking. So, it's not the true. Okay, students, are you clear? A clear mean we are going to the next headlines. Okay, option C. Okay, students. First of all, now we are C. Wait, because of I correctly my book also here, So, okay. Now we are see answer the questions. Question number 1. What kind of a boy was Vicky? What kind of a boy was Vicky? There are questions. What kind of a boy was Vicky? Oh, so Vicky is what boy? Yes, I tell about the answer. Yes, students, listen properly to me. Yes. Okay, students. Vicky was a lazy person. Okay, Vicky was a lazy person. You see, VICK, Vicky, WAS was a LAZY BOY. You know that Vicky was a lazy person because of Vicky was a active boy. You know that? No, Vicky was a not active boy. He was a lazy boy. So I tell about the answer. Vicky was a lazy boy. Okay, are you clear? You see next questions. Next answer. The question number 2. Who asked the robot to character the phone? Who asked the robot to charge the phone? What? Which character? I tell. Who? I can tell. Who asked the robot to charge the phone? Yes. Who said the charge the phone? The answer is awesome. Vicky asked the robot to at least charge my phone. You see, Vicky, ACKY, Vicky, SKED, ASKED. Okay. Vicky asked the robot to at least CHA or charge my. You also hear my phone. Again, one time, who asked the robot to charge the phone? Yes, correct. Vicky asked the robot to at least charge my phone because of it. You see here. Are you here, friends? Sorry. See, you see. Really, I cannot believe this. Really, I cannot believe this. At least charge my phone. It's one of the answer, Let's come to page number 81. Okay, students. Are you clear these two questions? Okay. Okay, clear is not a problem. Okay. Okay, next you are come to This video is clear or not, students? Okay. Clear means not a problem. Okay. Now we see what the questions. Yes. Now I see the third questions. Whom did Vicky want to do all his work? Whom did Vicky want to do all his work? Are you know about the question and answer, students? You don't know? It's not a problem. Yes, and the answer is what mean the see the answer is what mean Vicky wanted to do all his work. See, Vicky wanted, see, Vicky wanted robot. What he wanted? Vicky wanted robot. Want to do all. He wanted robot to do all his to. It's one of the two. To do all his work. What? You see, Vicky wanted robot to do all his work, right? Okay, because of Vicky wanted always he need to one person because of Vicky wanted help, so they are tell about. You see the words. You see the one word, students. Please listen here. Whom did Vicky want to do all his work? You see, wanted. Different one of the words. Yes, sir. One of the different. Yeah, correct. Want mean what, sir? Want mean. Yes, want mean. It's one of the present tense form. They are mentioned present tense form. Wanted. It's one of the past tense. It's one of the present tense form. It's one of the present tense form. Want mean present tense. Wanted mean past tense. Have from that. So that's one of the present tense. So wanted. Are you clear, students? Again, one time read. Tell the answer. You cannot clear. Okay, students. You see, the third question is, whom did Vicky want to do all his work? What? Whom did Vicky want to do all his work? Okay. The answer is Vicky wanted robot to. It's one of the two. To do all this work. Okay. Because of already, you all thinking wanted. It's one of the past tense and present tense. Each one of the present tense. It's one of the past tense. Okay. Now, if you all see the answer is fourth one. Yes, sir. Now you see the fourth one, sir. Yes, guy. Now I see the fourth one. Sir, just tell me, sir. How did Vicky change at the end? Change at the end. How did Vicky change at the end? How did Vicky change at the end of the topic? Clear? Because of changing his behavior. So the answer is what means Vicky decided to do all the work himself. Sir, please write, sir. Okay. Vicky, are you here, students? Okay. Vicky decided DCITD. Vicky decided to do all the work. To mean conjunction, to do all the work. Himself. You see, Vicky decided to do all the work himself. I can, sir, I can one time it is fully, sir. Yes, okay. Fourth one is, how did Vicky change at the end? Vicky decided to do all the work himself because of the robot. He saw get the robot that time. That robots also cannot make a work, so they are mentioned. So Vicky decided to do all the work because of already he work his work also to himself, that. Okay, the fourth one, sorry, now is the fourth one. Okay, sir, you can already we asked the fourth one, sir. Yeah, okay, I cannot understand why. Okay, it's not a problem, why. Okay, and now we ask the fifth question, yes, fifth questions. Answer questions, sir. You see the question, what, sir? You goes to what means now. What did you learn from these lessons? Sir, I can one time read, sir. Cannot understand, sir. Mean it's not a problem, guy. I can one time read. It's not a problem. Okay. What did you learn from this lesson? What? I cannot understand, sir. Okay, now I tell. Okay, its answer is what? We see, fifth ones. The answer is we should be active and not lazy. Okay, sir, you're right, sir. Please write. Okay, we see we HOULT. We should be active and ANT, and that's one of the conjunction. It's one of the connection word, so and not NOT, not lazy. LAZ. Okay, answer questions. Fifth one, you see, listen carefully. What did you learn from the lesson? Okay, so what we learn, sir? How to learn, sir? Yeah, these are also your learn. Okay, so tell about the answers, sir. I mean, yeah, I tell the answers. Not a problem, guy. It's one of the simple. We should be active and not lazy. Okay, because of it's lazy person. Because of lazy mean they are can't work. That's one of the lazy. Okay, we should be active and we should be active and not lazy. Not lazy mean, sir, this and yes, and is one of the conjunction, sir. Sir, what, sir? It mean by conjunction, sir. What mean by conjunction? Yeah, I tell conjunctions mean it's one of the connecting word. That for example, or go to the junction, that side they are junction is one of the connection, it's one of the conjunction. So connections is conjunction. So Tanjavur connect to Trichy. Okay, that's one of the conjunction. So and is conjunction because of active and not lazy, they are connecting. So and is connecting to active and not lazy, so they are mentioned and I am also mentioned and. So be active and not lazy, I mean we should be active and not lazy, it's one of the conjunction word. Okay, okay, are you clear, students? Okay, bye. It's okay, very good. Okay, bye, very good. He also know, but okay, good. Okay, bye. The very good, bye, very good girl. Okay, students, are you clear? Okay, sir. Now yours go to the match the dialogue to the character, sir. Okay, now we all see the picture. How many pictures here? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 pictures also here. Okay. Okay. First one is what? You see this picture. The first picture. You see my pen. First of all, you see this picture. Who it is? Who's this? Yes, is father of Vicky. Who's it's, yeah, he's a Vicky. Andron is robot. Yeah, the three characters here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. See the first one. First of all, we have to see the match dialogue and character. Which character? This dialogue speech. Okay, sir, we are matching. Now I match the. Now I match the words and picture. First, listen. I will to do all the work myself. What? I will to do all the work myself. Okay. Who said I will do all the work myself? Yes, correct. Vicky also said. You see, Vicky also said. It's also a match of it. Yeah, sorry, he's it also. He's also. It's not a problem. It. Okay. So Vicky also said. Next, we have C. The second, sir, we have C second one, sir. It's not a problem. Just listen. Okay, I never have tell. Okay. First, you charge my battery. Sir, I cannot understand because he also slowly, sir. Because I'm very tired by okay. Very tired because of throat. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Okay. First, you charge my phone. Charge my phone? No. Sir, you read it wrong, sir. Yes, I know. Okay, you're here or not? I saw I read wrongly. So, first you charge my battery. Phone or battery? Yes, battery. First you charge my battery. Who said? You know? Okay. You don't know? Okay, it's not a problem. Now I try. Yes. The robot also tell with him. First you charge my battery. You see the picture this side. Okay. What? The picture also the robot also very tired, you know that? You see. These are all the pictures, you know. This time this side also the robot also tell because of my battery is low, so charge my battery. So they are mentioned. Okay, now we are see. I have part you are a robot. I have part you are a robot. Who said? Yes, correct. Vicky's father. Which is the Vicky's father? The first picture is Vicky's father. Okay, right. You see, I connect because of conjunction. Connecting where you know that I connect each one of the conjunction. It's one of the grammar form. Okay. I have bought you a robot. One of the father connect. Okay. Sir, again one time tells her means. Okay, it's not a problem. I'm C. D options match the dialogue to the character. I will do all the work myself, which is the set. Yes, Vicky also said. The second one is first you charge my battery. The robot also said to Vicky. I have part you are a robot. I have part you a robot. Who said? Father also. Okay. Okay, next we all see option C. Sorry, option C, you know that? Already we are see option C, sir. Okay, it's not a problem. Now we are see option E. Okay. Now we are see option E. This is E. Okay. Are you here, students? That's, you see, name the character or speaker. You are mentioned, name the speaker or character, you are mentions it. Okay. The first one is, the robot will do all your work. The robot will do all your work. The second one is, why don't you do that to yourself? Third, you want me to strain my back. Okay, you want me to strain my back. The fourth one is, play me a pleasant song. I mean, a song is singing a song, you know, like that SPB Balasubramaniam also singing the song, Ilayaraja also singing the song, and you singers also here. Okay, play me a pleasant song. Song is one of the singing song. That's one of the deligible, you know that. Okay, the robot will do all your work. The answer is what? Vicky's father. Okay, I Already always Vicky. 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 Vicky's father. Vicky's father also said, okay, so who said the robot will do all your work? Who said? Vicky's father also said. Okay, we have see the second one. Why don't you do that yourself? Why don't you do that yourself? Yes. Who self? He is correct. Robots. This is one of the robot. This robot said. Right. ROBOT. Yes, robot said. Okay. The third one is you want me to strain my back. What? You want me to strain my back? Who said? It's also robot. Robot also said here. Okay, again robot also said to that. I mean then the fourth one is play me a pleasant song. Who said? Yes. This picture is Vicky. Vicky also said. V-I-C-K. Yes, Vicky also said. Play me a pleasant song. Who said? Vicky also said. Right now, okay. Sir, also now on 1 second you read, sir. Okay, it's not a problem, guys. Now 1 second I read, not a problem. That now I see now we all see the options E. That's the name of the character or speaker. Okay, one. The robot will do all your work. What? The robot will do all your work. Answer is Vicky's father. The second one is why don't you do that yourself? Yes, the robot also said. The third one is you want me to strain my back. The robot also said, right. The fourth one is play me a pleasant song. Who said? Vicky also said. Right now, are you clear, students? Okay, students, are clear means not a problem. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood? Are you clear? Okay. Okay, students, stay safe, stay home. WhatsApp. Yeah, I tell us. I won't forget. Stay safe, stay home, and y'all go to outside mean definitely y'all put in your mask. Okay. Okay, students. We are see next classes. Okay, students. Bye bye.